I'm the head of Arches College, situated in Johannesburg, South Africa. Arches College has recently achieved Apple Distinguished School status. This is an achievement from Apple that recognizes us as a center of leadership and excellence in education. This is a fantastic milestone for Arches College to achieve and to be seen as one of the most innovative schools in the world. At Arches College, we call learning an experience because we want our children to be engaged with all their senses and for learning to be entrenched in everything they do. Learning needs to be exciting, experimental, and practical. Having a one-to-one strategy helps us in achieving this vision. We wanted learning to be real and relatable. We want every learning opportunity to be an experience for every single child. Putting an iPad device in the hands of our students means that every single child is engaged from the start to the end of the school day. The mobility of an iPad device is a game changer, especially for us. It allows our students to bring the outside world into the classroom, making learning an experience.
iPad lets me collaborate with my classmates when we're working on projects. One of my favorite projects I've done on my iPad was when we created our own telescope using Jigspace. We had to research how to make a telescope and then build it with all the pieces. It made learning about outer space so much more fun. Since doing the telescope project, I found my hidden talent for design. I now really love creating things on my iPad and use my creation in other subject areas.
So as a parent, I wanted my child to have and be in the best environment, that will harness their critical thinking and problem solving as well as creativity skills. I also wanted my child to be given the best opportunities for learning. So knowing that Arches College uses iPad devices as a learning tool, I just knew, that my child would be able to just achieve that vision.
iStore Education has been an amazing partner and support structure as we have gone through this journey. They ignited our passion and have helped us achieve our EdTech goals every step of the way. iStore Education has supported us with our technical infrastructure, teacher and parent training, as well as introducing us to the world of augmented reality and coding. The professional development workshops, iPad summits, and Apple Teacher Roadshows have continued to inspire us and show us the endless possibilities of iPad devices in our learning environment. Being recognized as an Apple Distinguished School doesn't mean our journey is over. We are not stopping here. We want to continue to strive for excellence.